The overall goal of the following experiment is to explore corticospinal excitability changes induced by action observation in interactive contexts to identify when the automatic tendency to emulate someone else's action becomes the preparation for a non-identical response. This is achieved by using single-pulse transcranial magnetic stimulation over the primary motor cortex to assess corticospinal excitability with a relatively high temporal resolution. As a second step, neuronavigation is used to maintain constant TMS coil positioning throughout the entire experiment. Next, electromyographic activity is recorded from hand muscles in order to track excitability changes induced by action observation. Results are obtained that show an early switch from an emulative to a context-related response in corticospinal activity based on a differential activation of the stimulated hand muscles.
This method can help answer key questions pertaining to the social neuroscience field and specifically action observation. Many questions remain unanswered with regard to how observed actions, once mapped onto our model system, can be reconciled with the indication to prepare a non-identical response. Are, in fact, mechanisms underlying action observation susceptible to requests embedded in social context?
The implications of this technique may extend toward future applications in clinical settings, since it has the ability to provide a direct